Gaspi from 1BRIM-1BRBO2. This is the essay video. I choose the Visconti murders crime. The Visconti murders, or the Visconti massacre, remain one of the most haunting and heartbreaking crimes in the Philippine history. On June 30, 1991, three members of Visconti family, Estrelita, Carmela, and a 6-year-old Jennifer, were brutally killed inside their own home in BF Homes, Parañaque. The details of the crime shocked the world. Estrelita was stabbed 13 times, Carmela was raped and stabbed 17 times, and little Jennifer was stabbed 19 times. The only one who survived was Lauro Visconti, who was abroad when the tragedy struck. A father who would return home to the most devastating loss of his life. 4 years, the case went unsolved. In 1995, a woman named Jessica Alfaro stepped forward, claiming to be the witness. Based on her testimony, several young men, including Hubert Wibb, the son of a senator, were accused in 2000. The court convicted Wibb and the others, sentencing them to life imprisonment. For Lauro Visconti, it seems like justice had finally been served. But the story did not end there. In 2010, the Supreme Court overturned the conviction, ruling that the evidence was not strong enough to prove that beyond guilt a reasonable doubt. Jessica Alfaro's testimony was deemed unreliable, and Wibb's alibi that he was in the US when the crime happened was given way. The acquittal split public opinion. Some celebrated the decision is a victory for justice, while others felt that justice for the Visconti family had been stolen all over again. This case became more than just a murder investigation. It became a test of faith in the justice system. It reminds us how fragile justice can be, how one wrong testimony can change lives forever, and how a father's pain can turn into a lifelong search for truth. So back to the main question. Why should I be curious about this crime? The curiosity about the Visconti murders is not just about revisiting tragic crime. It is about understanding justice, truth, and society. The case shocked the Philippines when Estrelita, Carmela, and Jennifer Visconti were brutally killed in their own home in 1991.